Greetings of the day to one and all. This is Abdul Muiz, the school captain of International Delhi Public School, and today is 22nd of April 2024. The day is internationally celebrated as the Earth Day, so we are also celebrating Earth Day in our school. In this regard, we have organized a painting competition in our school with the theme same as the theme of the Earth Day 2024, that is planet versus plastic. So we'll also take a look at the students who are participating in the competition, and we'll also ask them about their experience. So let's start. Hi Farhan,
Hi Muiz.
can you show us your drawing for the competition?
Yes, this is it.
So can you explain what have you drawn?
So I have made two sections that on the earth, that one is not polluted and other side is polluted. You can see it.
So you are trying to say that our earth can be better if it's not. So Rukham,
Hi Muiz.
so can you show us your drawing for the competition?
Yes.
Hi Hurana,
Hi.
so can you show us your drawing?
Yes, please.
So can you explain that what have you drawn and tell us something about the Earth Day?
Yes, I have made two sections. I have made earth, and in one side I have made a plant, and in other side I haven't drawn any plant, and I'm expressing that how our earth looks with plants and without plants.
Okay, thank you. Hello Ifra.
Hi.
So can you show us your drawing?
Yes, you can see.
So what have you drawn and try to tell us something about Earth Day?
Today is Earth Day, and we have drawn something. I have made two earths, and it's polluted earth, and it's not. It's the green earth.
So you are trying to say that if we pollute our Earth, it will not be possible for us to live on Earth.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Hi Adiba.
Hello, Muiz Bhaiya.
So can you show us your drawing?
Yes, of course. Why not?
What have you drawn and try to explain it in your own words?
Okay, I'm gonna tell to people that don't pollute Earth, because Earth is very beautiful. Keep Earth clean, and you will also fit and healthy.
So can you give a message to the people for so that they can learn how they can keep the Earth clean?
Don't throw dust and keep your Earth clean.
Okay, thank you. Hi Zed,
Hi,
what day are you celebrating?
we are celebrating today's Earth Day.
So you are also taking part in the competition.
Yes,
Can you show us your drawing?
yes, here is my drawing. I have explained how the man is showing save your life and save your earth.
Hi Bad.
Hi,
So what day is today and what are you doing?
today is 22nd of April, and we are celebrating Earth Day.
Why we have gathered here. You know very well that yesterday we have celebrated here the Earth Day of 2024 with the theme Planet versus Plastic. And there we have a special program that was drawing competition. And today we are declaring the results of that competition. And you know that most of the students, there was a maximum participation in that. And most of the students have participated in that. I would like to call Naima Hamid here. She has got second division in the drawing competition, and I would like to display her drawing as well. I would like to request our worthy principal, including Mr. Sayar Ahmed, to please felicitate the student with the certificate and the prize. The first position goes to Malik Maliha in the drawing competition. Huge round of applause. Our August principal is here and Mr. Sayar Ahmed to please felicitate the student. Here is the drawing. I am going to display the drawing. Huge round of applause for her.
Good afternoon to all of you. It's wonderful to see once again your cheerful faces and presence over here. I appreciate all those who participated. It doesn't matter for me who has got first, second, third. And for you as well, you must remember the participation is important, not the prizes. Always try to participate in all kind of such activities. Come forward without any hesitation, without any worries. That builds the character, that brings the skills among you. And as per the definition of the new age global citizen of student, you need to have all those skills. Without those skills, you may have loads of degrees, merits, medals in academics, but it will not alone will help. So better you enhance your skills, enhance your all, and make your passion like that. That is what education is. There is a great difference between literacy, numeracy, and education. Education is always beyond the books. To go beyond the books, what is first important is be inside the book. To think out of the box, where you have to be first within the box. Then only you can think out of the box. That's what I want to convey. It is already late. Once again, I am thankful to all the teachers, those who have contributed their great efforts, and all the students. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.